Break-even word problem. Cost versus revenue. Problem. A seller has fixed cost $450 for machine and setup. Cost per hoodie $18. Selling price $35 per hoodie. We want break-even number of hoodies. Profit for different quantities. Step 1. Write the equations. Total cost equation. Here we have fixed cost and cost per hoodie. Let X equals number of hoodies sold. Total cost C equals fixed cost 450 plus cost per hoodie 18 times number of hoodies sold X. Revenue equation. Here we have selling price and X number of hoodies sold. So revenue R equals selling price $35 per hoodie times number of hoodies sold X. Step 2. Break even point. Now we have two equations, one for total cost and one for revenue. Break even means total cost equals total revenue. So 450 plus 18x equals 35x. Subtract 18x from both sides. 450 equals 17x. X equals 450 over 17. Approximately 26.47. Break even meaning you must sell 27 hoodies to break even. Before 27 hoodies, the business is losing money. After 27 hoodies, the business is making profit. After that, each hoodie adds $17 profit. Step 3. Profit examples. Sell 12 hoodies. If 12 hoodies are sold, total cost equals 450 plus 18 times 12 equals 666. Revenue equals 35 times 12 equals 420. Profit equals 420 minus 666 equals negative 246. Selling 12 hoodies gives a loss of $246 because 12 is below the break-even point of 27 hoodies. If 30 hoodies are sold, total cost equals 450 plus 18 times 30 equals 990. Revenue equals 35 times 30 equals 1050. Profit equals revenue minus total cost equals 60. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.